Guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abidal Farzan Rosyidi. So in this video, I would like to give you explanation about the tiny bit get controlled by a Bluetooth in my hardware. Maybe I can say handheld. And now I will open this tab or in here, and then look before about this http yahoo.net study tiny bit. You guys can access it. Maybe you can access it in my description below. You see the link and then you click it. Okay. I'm sorry if I a little bit weak because I get ill. Okay, we already access this website, and then we gotta click this one, the 7 interacting with tiny bit. We gotta choose this Android Bluetooth app. You gotta click this one, and then we download one of this. But now I gotta download this tiny bit Bluetooth control feature version 2. I will download it. I'm gonna sleep first until this is completed. Get the gotta wait it until the the list text file is loaded. I'm sorry that is loud of there is a lot of this video because my friend is make explanation. I'm sorry very loud of the other voice than me exactly. Okay, sorry. And now we gotta open this. Open the file explorer. And then connect my plug this USB cable to this microcontroller or microbit. As you can see it, we can connect it, or maybe I can say plug it. Then there is oh yeah, already there is a microbit document, and we're gonna take this and we break this text file to the microbit documents. Drive D.
In the application, there is 3 modes like tracking mode, tracking, and avoid.
Oh yeah, that. So now I just gonna drag this one, but after this I want to give you the explanation of that
If
the control with Uno. There's difference, you guys.
GHB mode equals 1, then RGB
We're gonna import it.
file water
Import the hex
so
file.
RGB
We gotta take in here. There, you take this one and go ahead.
like water and force and we so there's effect.
And now I gotta give the explanation.
If RGB mode
This
equals 4
file is the singing functions.
100
What is function?
variable G
Functions.
green D blue
It is kind of the logic thing of the anything. And then I gotta go. Functions first, like LED is make it this or not. RGB car program set brightness to 255, and then RGB car program set pixel add color 0 to red. It means that set pixel color is turning red at 0 color. And then there's RGB car program show. And then this pause IMS is meaning this pause is for 100 milliseconds. Then RGB color program clear is meaning that the RGB will gone, and then change the RGB color program to set pixel color at 1 to green. It's meaning that change the color program
if more than
at the 1 color to green. At 1 to green. Then RGB color program show.
if there's a box of there is
Then pause again,
parties
100 milliseconds, And then
and pause.
get the RGB color program clear is like before. And then this one is changed step is call on RGB color program set
So the
pixel color
tracking
at
mode,
2 to blue.
like
Meaning
there is
that
a map, the white and black
meaning that
light
RGB color program is set pixel at 2 to blue. And then
So
RGB color program show how for 100 milliseconds get the and then there is the RGB color program clear and then RGB color program show. Meaning that we clear the RGB program. So this is Bluetooth. There's one of Bluetooth that I gave you. That I gotta explain to you.
And
You guys want to see it? The Bluetooth? That's it. Yeah.
because so and pause 100 milliseconds
How
and
many
clear again on
Bluetooth
that
that
picture the one at one the green
get
so again
made
pause again
by the microbit?
that picture color at 2 the blue so and pause
Okay.
millisecond 100 and clear and so there is
I
the
want to make it ID or make it a
so it's like the MTP is like on off like that.
Yep, there's a lot of the Bluetooth.
And after the hot LED, you can go to the green.
Okay,
So the green LED,
take all of
the
this.
one is like
Okay,
you breathe
we gotta make it ID. There is
like
yes or no. Already like
like that. The on off.
already. Okay,
So that is the breathe LED. So
this one,
that
this
is
look
the
already.
4K from 0
Now we get it.
45
Stop.
to
Meaning that we click the start button and we click the turn on button at the tiny bit. That's item to yeah. Click it.
Divide to execute programs and brightness key
It's meaning change item to word number or anything and sets I variable to 0. RGB color program fellow red is meaning that turn on the RGB color program RGB color big value right. Meaning that this tiny bit is turning on red LED.
And pause again.
Then this Bluetooth water meaning that the Bluetooth is not surface or maybe still not get connected. Yeah. And then show LED S. Then set connected to 0, set RGB mode, RGB mode to 0, and then change the, and then set the key mode to 0. And then this one is kinda, no, the mistakes of this controller. Then now we're going to on Bluetooth connected. It's meaning that when the Bluetooth connected, we'll turn on this Bluetooth. Show LED is meaning it show a SC. And then pause the for 1000 milliseconds and then change the RGB color big filter to red. Set connected to 1 and then while the connected equal 1 do set the data word data to Bluetooth word red until hashtag. Yeah. Doing that when the connect when while the connected is 1 we'll doing this all of this Bluetooth in here. Set your data to Bluetooth word read until hashtags and then call call and car control and then call the music and then call 7 color LED and then call 7 water LED and then call mode set distance. Oh yeah, for guys, this is using functions. There's a call control, call water LED, call bird LED, call the music. This is functions. Functions kinda really helps. It's same like a before in the seventh grade I learning about Scratch and function is same like a my block. And now we will continue set distance to ultrasonic return distance. Set distance. Ultrasonic return distance. Set the distance variable to ultrasonic return distance. Meaning that set the distance variable to this sensor. This sensor is the ultrasonic return distance. Then set time temperature to C. And then set Start one. The join distance. This kind of hard, but I don't, I don't know what is the meaning of this. We will continue with. Okay, continuing here. When the Bluetooth is disconnected. When the Bluetooth is disconnected, show LEDs that is dead on the bit set phase. Yes. And set the connected to 0, then RGB color big value to blue. It's meaning that when the tiny bit is disconnected from the Bluetooth, it's meaning that the LED is um, yeah, this lamp will show a blue color, and then set the connect variable to 0, and then we'll show a side face in this microbit like this. It's got it. Okay, that's it. Here, there's side face in here. It's showing. And then okay, then function car all. Same like before. If the user data is A, if user data is A, this will control front speed 100 times. And then else, if user data is B, control back speed 100. Meaning when user data is A in the A number and the A letter, will run with the speed 150, and else when the user data is B letter, control back speed 150. Else if the user word data is C, is will controls hard control speed left with the speed 150. When the word data is D, controls right speed 150. It's not like a remote before, but it's using a Bluetooth. User data E, spin left, user data F, your data F is spin right, word data 0 is 0. Okay, go to the other. Functions, water LED. Functions, water LED. When the water LED is get turned on, it will change the RGB program set brightness to 155. And when RGB color program and then RGB colors program set pixel color at 0 to green. And RGB color program show. Pause for 100 milliseconds, and then RGB color program clear, RGB color program set pixel color at 1 to green. It's not like before the first lookers. And then RGB color program show. Pause for 100 milliseconds, RGB color program clear, RGB color program set pixel color to at 2 to green. It's green all of this, but it's changed at all of this is green. Before the green in the middle, but the first is red and then the last is blue is changed to green. RGB color program set pixel color at 2 to green. RGB color program show pause for 100 milliseconds. And RGB color program clear, RGB color program show. It's kind of hard block codes, but I wanna give you the example. The explanation. Just explain. I won't give. I don't need to do it. Yes, I wanna pick a rice first because I get sick. I get confused. No, function red LED. When function red LED is when turn on the or maybe do the RGB color for for the K variable from the 0 to 150, do RGB color program set brightness K. RGB color program purple, RGB color program show. Set G to 155. 255. For the E from 0 to 155. We'll do the RGB color program set brightness to G and change G to -1. RGB color program show color purple and RGB color program show. It's for the bright LED. Like like we breathe and then make it the breath is off.
Don't forget to subscribe.
So it's gonna breathe, breathe like that. Anyway, when function the music. The music is meaning that yeah, like a music set volume to 127 set built-in speaker off. It's meaning that it's off. And then if the word data is 1, play tone middle C for 1.1 per 2 bit. Else, if the word data is 2, then play tone middle D. Else, if word data is 3, then play tone middle E. This will do it with the alphabet. Word data 3, play tone middle E. Word data 4, it into F. Word data 5, it middle G. Word data 7, word data 6 is play tone in middle A. I don't know. Else, if word data is 7, play middle B, and then word data is 8, play tone middle C, CH stick, and word data is B2, is will play a middle tone, play tone middle D, hashtag, and the others. Until down here. Until the last one, word data is 0, then just from 0. Okay, next. Functions, 7 water LED. 7 water LED is like a, how to, again, make it extended. So it's like a water 7 water LED. What data N is set gRGB mode to 1. What data P set gRGB mode to 2. What data Q is set RGB. Like that. Okay. Okay. Now we go to down here. We start we like this. Okay. Like this one already. The last one is this. The last one of block code is that. And now it's just start like this. Okay. Start from here. Spinning is forever. If the G mode is 1, it's called tracking mode. It's meaning that the it sent like a line follower before that I mistakes. I have a mistakes. Then it's fail point. Then now tracking mode is like a line follower. There's a line, it will track the line. And you follow the line. Then plus the G mode is 2 is with avoid mode. That I already make before, avoid distance, or we avoid objects. And then else if the G mode is 3, we'll call follow mode. Follow the objects that I already make before. Follow the object like this. Okay. And then this one. If the gRGB mode is 5, RGB core program clear and then RGB core program show. Else, if the gRGB is 1, then RGB core program clear and then call water LED. And then when the gRGB mode is 2, then RGB core program clear, call harsh LED. And then when the gRGB mode is 3, then the RGB core clear, and then call bright LED. Else if the G mode is 4, RGB core program clear, RGB core program set brightness to 200, and then set the G red to pick random from 1 till 0 till 255. Set the G green to pick random from the 0 to 155. Set the G blue to pick random from 0 to 155. And RGB car program so color red, G red, green, G green, blue, G blue. And then RGB car program show. Set the gRGB mode to 0. And then pause for 10 milliseconds. Okay. And then now send to this functions mode set. So in that mode that you're gonna select it. When the OR data is S, set the G mode to 1. Word data is T, set the G mode to 2. Word data U, set the G mode to 3. When the word data equals V, set the G mode to 0. And then show LEDs A with the switch, and then call power control sound. That. And then this one. Same like a tracking mode. Line sensor is same like a line follower before that I already make it. Like this one. Blah, 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 blah. You already know about it. I already explained it. And then this avoid mode. Avoid mode is already get, yeah, already get, the get explained by me that if ultrasonic or maybe distance is low than 50, less than 55, 15, car control spin left, and then speed with the speed 5 and 90, and it goes for 400 milliseconds, and then else car control speed 100. Then this 7 color LED is meaning that if you were the SD RGB car program RGB car pixel red, 7 color LED. Uh, so like a GHE is just a letter that make it the color is changed. We already explained before. This is the last one. This one is follow mode. Follow mode is, yeah, your tiny bit is following the road, following the following the object in front of him. If the ultrasonics return CM or maybe the distance is less than 50, higher control speed run for 70 speed. Then else is control stop. And now there's the last block codes that I explained it. And now we gotta test this tiny bit is get connected or no. Download it first, guys. Don't forget. Download it. Oh, pro- program is bigger. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you the what's the name? I'll give you the list, this link, and then my project. Now you gotta see the this. Sorry, and then we gotta drag it to here. Make robot B. Now, and then I will pause it after this until this tiny bit is get connected by your phone. Okay, already get this one get connected, and then you guys need to plug it off and connect it with this. And we need one phone for the example. Where is the people? Give me the phone. Okay, guys. Maybe I will pause it first after this, and then I will show it again. Okay. So yeah, I'll pause it and then I will show it again, and then we go. Okay. Udah upload juga. Udah. Okay, guys. So now I will show you about the Bluetooth with my friend's phone. And now I'm gonna show you about next we're gonna load it. Before I explain it, and now I gotta show you about how to practice. Okay. It's already more little bigger. And now I'm just gonna just use tiny to control people. I'm gonna drag it one, and then I will drop this the copy file copy documents, and then we need the more application that we need to use for opening the kind of operation will be the operator of this. This already. Okay. Now we gotta connect it or plug it. So plug it. Okay. We'll plug it on. We gotta connect. Okay. You back connect. Nanti malam bisa kan? Nanti malam. And now there is an application named BSTMBit. Santoy. You guys must implement it. If you want to operate this one, this yeah, let's already get A. Then we need to connect this one. It's already A logo. Now we gotta connect it. Great, I can show you what this for the for the go. You can from here. You can see it. This for the go in front of. You go to in front of. Go back again, and then turn right, turn left. Slowly turn more, more turn. Kind of different about this button and this button. And then this is for the sound. You can see in here. There's a there is a here that is made for use for. Okay. Now we can see in here that there's a lot of the operation in here. We gotta go to the color of frame. This is the color light, is meaning that we can change this LED like this before it's red and green, blue, yellow, cayenne, yellow, pink, those RGB light, meaning that this RGB light is flowing light like this, flowing. We can see in here, light is get flowed, and then we close this one, and that's the Mercury light. You can see in here, there's a Mercury light. You can see in here. And then there's a lot of the light in. Go to the, and then we gotta choose the bright light like this. Bright light here, and then it's color like this. Yeah. And then mode, we got tracking mode. This meaning that tracking mode is meaning that like the I stated before, tracking mode is tracking line follower mode. Obstacle avoidance is meaning that like before, objects avoid distance. And following mode is meaning that that can follow the object in front of him. Object follow. And then this is context. Okay, maybe that's all about explaining of the Bluetooth controller. I'm sorry for mistaken in word, and then so many times that I host the vlog explanation. That's what I tend to say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys for next video. Bye.